वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा एंड समझा व्हाट इज सर्विस नाउ एंड हाउ टू स्टार्ट विद इट, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ न्यू इंस्टेंस ऑन सर्विस नाउ। आज के वीडियो में हम फाइनली इस क्रिएटेड इंस्टेंस पे हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग, आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर, if you want to know the details of your ServiceNow instance, simply go to your URL and type stats.to. As you can see, now you have got all the details of your ServiceNow instance, like the release name or the build name, we can say that is Yokohama, the build date, and many more like the memory time, the system run level, and debug time, and many more. So, coming upon to the ServiceNow, today we'll learn what is record, views, customizing list views, and creating a new record. Views, tables and records. These three things are the ServiceNow core building blocks. ये तीन चीज़ें ServiceNow प्लेटफॉर्म का एक बेस है एंड अगर आप इन्हें समझ लेते हैं तो आपका लर्निंग प्रोसेस काफ़ी ईजी हो जाएगा. लेट्स टेक अ सिंपल एनालॉजी. थिंक यू हैव अ बिग रजिस्टर जिसमें कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज़ की डिटेल्स लिखी है. हर पेज पर एक एम्प्लॉय का रिकॉर्ड है जैसे नेम, ईमेल एंड फ़ोन नंबर. सर्विस नाउ में भी एक ऐसा ही सिस्टम होता है, दैट इज टेबल, जो कि एक बड़ा रजिस्टर है जो सिमिलर डाटा स्टोर करता है. रिकॉर्ड्स, जो हर पेज पे एक अलग एम्प्लॉयज़ का डाटा दिखाता है. फील्ड्स, जो हर पेज पर लिखी हुई डिटेल्स लाइक नेम, ईमेल एंड रोल्स एक्सेट्रा के बारे में बताता है. इन कंक्लूजन, टेबल एक कलेक्शन होता है मल्टीपल रिकॉर्ड्स का. हर रिकॉर्ड के अंदर मल्टीपल फील्ड्स होती हैं. As you can see, this is a screenshot of one of the table that is present in the ServiceNow. This table is called as incident table. The highlighted thing, one row, is called a record in a single table, and the number, open, short description, these are the fields. Whenever we create a new record in this table, this is stored as a single row. Coming upon to the ServiceNow instance, first of all, go to the all section, type incident. Now, in the results, in the incident table, check go for all. Now, as you can see, there is a star. This star is present to create a favorite. Let's say we have created this favorite and done. Now, clicking upon this all, this is the incident table where this is number, open, short description, color, and so on are the fields, and this is the each record in this table. Now, coming upon to the views. What are the views? Views are the different ways to see a record in a table. There are basically two types of views, that is list view and form view. अभी तक जो हम देखते आए is called as a list view. List view is mainly multiple records together. लिस्ट व्यू एक टेबल फॉर्मेट में सेव होता है. इसके अंदर मल्टीपल रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, लिमिटेड फील्ड्स होती हैं एंड हम इसके अंदर फिल्टर एंड सॉर्ट डिटेल्स कर सकते हैं जिसके बारे में हम फर्दर वीडियोस में समझेंगे. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द फॉर्म व्यू. लेट्स से क्लिकिंग अपॉन दिस रिकॉर्ड, आपको ये एक फॉर्म व्यू की तरह शो होगा. दिस इज द फॉर्म व्यू जहाँ पे आपको पूरे रिकॉर्ड देख सकते हैं और आप एडिट भी कर सकते हैं. इस रिकॉर्ड के अंदर मोर फील्ड्स एंड वी हैव मोर कंट्रोल. ये एक रिकॉर्ड पर पेज दिखाई देता है. So now we have understand what are records and views. Now customizing a list view. Let's say this is the list view. We can customize the list view and वही columns को select कर सकते हैं जो हम देखना चाहते हैं. To add or remove the column, first of all, we'll be opening up on the list. Now, as you can see, this is the gear icon. इस पर click करते ही we can have the number of list or the columns you want to see. Let's say I want to see the approval and I don't want to see this updated and updated by. So we'll simply drag and drop the columns. Now, as we have clicked upon the OK button, you can see the updated and updated by columns are being removed and we can see the approval column. So now you can see that here this is how we can personalize our list view. We can also apply filters for the quick search. This is the filter icon For example, let's say choosing the state like keyword, choosing the field like color. Let's say we say the color is not empty, and now we run it. So we have 67 records. It means that no color is an empty one. Now let's select priority. Let's say the priority is high. Now as we run it, we can see that out of 67, only 4 records are there where the priority is high. So this is how we can filter. Now, you might be thinking why all this data is already stored or where this data is coming from. So basically, ServiceNow helps you to share some of the dummy data. These are the already stored data that you will be getting with your instance. Now, coming upon creating a new record. So to create a new record, we'll select on new button. Now this number is auto generated. To select the color, we select the color as from the given option, let's say able tutor. We select able tutor. Then the service, this is okay. Short description should be, since it's an incident table, we can say that the computer is not working, and no other fields are compulsory, so we can say submit. And as you can see, this new record is created with the number opened on third. Short description, the computer is not working, the caller is able tutor. So what we have learned today is what is record, what are the views, how we can customize the list view, and how do we create a new record. So coming upon in the further videos, we will be learning about how we can use this list view to customize more and how we can select the query data. Thank you.